Hello everyone, Allan Langer here, and I am so excited to meet all of you on March 9th in Tampa, Florida for the 2023 Cleaning Festival. You want to know why I'm excited? Well, I'm excited because the talk I'm going to give is called Selling Your Value in a Commodity-Driven World. Well, what does that mean? Well, it means that, you know what, cleaning is not sexy. We all know that. But how do you actually take the concept of what you do and turn it into value? Because right now, if you're viewed as a commodity, if you're viewed as just a line item on a budget, or just what's the lowest bid so I can get my office cleaned, you're not projecting and you're not communicating your value, so therefore you just become a commodity. How do you get out of that? How do you communicate and sell and market your value? That's what I'll be talking about on March 9th, and it's going to be an exciting talk, and I guarantee you'll walk away from that talk with a lot of actionable items that you can start using the very next day to start really selling and marketing the true value that you actually bring to your customers or to the organization that you're working for. So tune in, stop by March 9th in Tampa, Florida at the Gem Cleaning Supply Store. Check out all the vendors that are going to be there, and my keynote starts at 10 a.m. I'm really looking forward to it, and I'm really looking forward to meeting all of you. We'll see you there.